Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Today the topic that we are doing is set notation and Venn diagram. We will be doing the medium question. In this series, we will be learning how to do shading and solving of the diagrams. All right. So the first question that we have over here is that there are 32 students in a class. 5 do not study any language. 15 study German. 18 study Spanish. Complete the diagram. Now look, the mistake that majority students will make is they will write 15 here, 18 here, 5 here. This is absolutely wrong. And now I'll explain you the reason why it is wrong. Look, the 15 students that are studying German, there are chances that out of these 15 students, some students might also be studying Spanish. Out of the 18 students studying Spanish, there are chances that some students might be studying German. So I will write over here X, students that study both German and Spanish. Now I only want to find the students who only study German. So I will do 15 minus X. Yani I will subtract the students who are studying Spanish. And over here, I will do 18 minus X. I will subtract the students from the Spanish students who are studying German. Remaining 5 students do not study any language. I will write 5 over here. Now, if I sum this all, which means 15 minus X plus 18 minus X plus 5, all of this is equals to 32 because there are total 32 students. Now, X and X will be cancelled. 18 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 18 is 38. So 38 minus X is equals to 32. Minus X is equals to 32 minus 38. Minus X is equals to minus 6. Minus minus cancels, which means X is equals to 6. Alright. Now we will solve this diagram. So instead of X, you guys will write 6. 15 minus 6 is 9, so it means actually 9 students study German. 18 minus 6 is 12, which means actually 12 students study Spanish. So you will erase the remaining part, and if you want me to write it again, the answer would be 9, 6, 12, 5. 9 students study German, 6 students study both German and Spanish, 12 students only study Spanish, and 5 students do not study any language. Moving on to the next question, it says universal set is such that X is such a number that it is between 41 and 15. All the numbers, because it says X is greater than or equal to 41 and less than or equal to 50. So I will do universal set is 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. X is an odd number. Alright, so A is basically elements of odd number. Odd numbers are between 41 and 50, so it means 41, 43, 45, 47, 49. B is such that it is a multiple of 3, which means it's going to be 42, 45, 48. And C is a prime number, which means that between 41 and 50 we have 41, 43 and 47. Now the question says complete the sets and Venn diagram. So look, this portion is the numbers common between A and B. So the numbers that are common in A are 45. Alright, so I'm going to remove 45. The numbers that are common between A and C, 41. So I remove 41, 43. So I removed 43, 47. So I removed 47 from both. Then in B, which numbers are left? 42 and 48. So I removed 42 and 48. And in A, I will now write 49. So which numbers are now remaining? The numbers that are remaining are 44, 46 and 50. So I will write 44, 46 and 50 over here. So this is how you will solve question 2A. Now question 2B said list the elements of A intersection C. Alright. So first of all, let me write down A and C for you. Or you do not even need to write down A, just look at this diagram. What is common? What is common in A and C? 41, 43, 47. So you will write 41, 43, 47. Next question is find B union C. So what is B union C? B union C means write all the numbers of B and C together. So it's going to be 41, 42, 43. I did 41, 42, 43, 45, 47 and 48. Now the question is saying complement. If you look at the question, it says complement, yani the numbers outside of this. Okay. So if you look at the diagram, you do not even need to do all of these things. If you look, B union C complement means everything outside of B and C. So which numbers are outside of B and C? 49 and these three numbers. 46, 44, 46, 49, 50. So the answer is going to be 44, 46, 49 and 50. Because this is B complement. B union C complement is this whole part. So we can even use the diagram to solve it. Moving on to our next question, it says find n of A intersection B intersection C. So if we go up to the diagram, let me erase this. If you look at the diagram, there is no intersection for A, B and C. It means 0. So the value of n is going to be 0. So if you have made a diagram, it eases out your life. Alright. Now we will do question 3a. Universal set is students in a school. F is students who play football. B is students who play baseball. There are 240 students in a school. Okay, 120 students play football, 40 students play baseball, 90 students play football but not baseball. Complete the Venn diagram. So look, the question says that 90 students play football but not baseball. It means that there are 90 students who only play football. And if you look at this statement, it says 120 students play football. Yani total students that play football, alright, is 120, and there are 90 students who only play football. It means 30 left. So these 30 students are those students who play football and baseball both. So I will write 30 over here. Alright. Now it says 40 students play baseball. So out of 40 students that play baseball, 30 students play football as well. How do we know? Because it's over here. So how many students are there that only play? Only play what? Only play baseball. It's going to be 40 minus 30. So it's 10 now. So now how many students are there who don't play any sport? We will do 90 plus 30 plus 10. It's going to be 130. We will do 240, alright, minus 130. It's going to be 110. So the answer is 110. Alright. Now next question says find F complement intersection B complement. So the answer for this part is F complement intersection and B complement are students that do not play football and students who do not play baseball as well. So it means it's 110. Students that don't play any sports. Next question says use set notation to complete the statement. D dash A. So if you look at it, D is inside A, so you will use this. D is an element of A. Alright. Next question, F and G. So F and G are common in A and B. So F and G are A intersection B. Next question says complete the statement. N is such that it is equals to 6. So if you look at the question, in B there are 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So you will write N of B is equals to 6. Moving on to our next question says, in the Venn diagram shade C intersection D complement. Look, whenever I want to do this question, I do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in C you have 1, 2, In D you have 2, 3, and the universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4. So now the question set C, which is 1, 2, and D complement. D complement is basically 1 and 4. So the question is saying C intersection D complement, which means 1, 2 intersection, what is D complement? 1, 4. So what is common in both? 1. So you will only shade this side. This is your answer. This method used for all shading techniques. This is the best method to do shading. Next question, it says that the number of members of a leisure center using machines, swimming pools and tennis court is shown on the diagram. Find the number of members using only tennis courts. So if you look at the question, the number of members that are only using tennis court are 16. Next question says find the number of members using swimming pool. So in this question, how many members are using swimming pool? 33 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4. So we will do 33 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4, which is 50 people. So there are 50 people that are using the swimming pool. So this is for this exercise. If you guys were able to understand, please do like, subscribe and share my channel. And in this complete sets and Venn diagram series, we will have all the questions regarding IGCSE Maths, Topical and everything. So if you were able to understand, please do like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.